Why are you looking at me?
You can go.
Why are you looking at me?
Alright, say something.
I am.
Do something.
I'm trying to improv, not be funny.
Okay.
You have to talk with me, Chidon.
What do you
If you're making it vlog style, make it all shaky and shit, you should be talking.
Yes. Okay, tell us what we're doing here. What is all this stuff?
Currently, I'm looking at this knife that Ronnie gave me. I didn't even know Snap-on made knives. Look at that. Snap-on.
Hey, sponsor us.
Yeah, how sharp do you think this is?
Yo.
How sharp do you think this is?
Yo.
Let's try it. Okay, anyway. This is all my life savings, and I spent them all at Z1. So, coupled with that and this, if Racebox suddenly disappears off Instagram, it's because I went broke. Anyway, we got, everyone convinced me that I need to do suspension on the car.
Mark.
Obviously, it's not all-wheel drive anymore, so we can't get those easy 1.5 60 foots like we used to on the street. Honestly, even with all this, I doubt we're going to get a good 60 foot on the street, but we're setting it up for the track. So what we got here, I mean, these are not for drag racing, but we got sway bars, because why not? Sway bars are cool and they're clout. We got the Feel suspension. So this is the Z1 R Pro coilovers. We could have gotten them from Feel and gotten the double damping ones, but these are the single ones. It should be okay. If we need more, I'm going to hit up Mark and buy his old set, because we all know Mark goes through parts like crazy. This, I don't know what it is. Let's open these up and find out. I'm going to just start with the sway bars and show you guys all the sway bars. Ooh. So that maybe John at Z1 will give me a kickback, so I don't have to pay full price anymore. Please.
We'll fast forward this part. Just take your time. Don't cut yourself.
I'm really bad at cutting.
Oh, God.
You can show everybody that I can't cut in a straight line, even when it's already
when we get packages here, when we get packages here, you're like, all right, somebody open this. It's never you that's opening anything.
You know why? Because Moonshine loves opening packages. When we get packages in the shop,
I'm surprised you guys held off.
Open it, leave a mess, and walk away.
I'm surprised you guys held off opening these.
All right, I'm surprised, dude. That's a lot of restraint from Moonshine, honestly. All right, that's so look at that. It says 370Z because Z1's not creative, and they use the same thing from the Z. Also because
it's the same.
This is a 370Z with a new face. Actually, Ben at VPF was telling me they were at some event and they saw, I think it was like a drift car or something, and they previously it was a 370Z. They just replaced all the body panels, and it was that.
What?
So, yeah, that is.
That works.
Apparently. All right, so this is a rear sway bar, I think, and guess what it says.
You just throw the boxes, nice.
Please open faster. Nope.
Look at that clean cut. Beautiful.
I blame the astigmatism.
Huh? No, it's a Snap-on knife, bro.
Actually, true. Probably will hurt myself. Oh, look at this. The packaging came apart. Hey, John, look at that. Your shipping department did a bad job. That is the front.
Yeah, definitely not because you were throwing these boxes around.
We did not throw them around. What are you talking about? You can't say that if we're going to warranty shit. 370Z front sway bar.
Nice.
What up, Dougie? You enjoying this?
Doug's like,
what is this?
Doug's like, why am I here?
Oh, they use the same tape. It said Z1 Off-Road on the bottom. I'm like, what did I buy that's off-roading? I don't even know what's in here. Let's find out.
Rally Z.
I mean, okay. Before I open this, I did order basically every suspension component that they have along with two-piece rotors. So it's going to be upper control arms, lower control arms, and then the rear, camber, toe, and caster.
Also diff bushings and subframe bushings as well.
Oh, I got solid ones too because I wanted Ronnie to hate his life more after the first install. Did you record him?
Yeah.
Oh, that's going to be fun if you
Oh my god. I guess that's good. They're a tight fit.
Yeah.
One here. One here. And of course, these two already in. Wow.
Oh my god, Ben.
Why'd you just stab that?
Because it wouldn't bend. I was expressing discontentment with the box.
I see.
John told me we don't qualify for this though. You know, I've spent so much and I don't get any of this giveaway because I'm a shop. What is this?
No, because if you win that, everyone's going to see that and they're going to think it's rigged. It's like, oh, they give it to his friend.
That's true.
Ooh.
Oh, these are like end links? For...
Yeah, for the sway bars.
One of... No, Yeah,
right?
that.
I mean, it has to. N-links go on sway bars.
I
What do you
guess.
mean?
Bro, I don't know. And then I got these bushings for the arms.
Do you know what these
I
parts
don't
are?
know what. I'm telling you, I went on Z1's website. I put everything in my cart, and I texted John, and I was like, Daddy, hook it up. And he didn't hook it up.
It's like, you just ask him, like, will this make me run 10s?
Literally, I was like, can I be as fast as the other Zs now? This is for the sway bars.
You're just guessing at this point.
It looks like, what does this look like? It goes on a sway bar.
Ronnie's like, why do I work here?
More things for camber. Listen, I don't put the cars together. I don't know anything about suspension. All I do is tune them. So I'm counting on these guys to figure it out and get that thing to squat so I can cut a 1.4 with good launch control.
That's great. Wait, you think I know what though?
Yeah, I mean, judging by your stance, you look like an NPC, so probably not.
This boy. Alright.
These are sway bar bushings.
Yes.
I should probably not stab them. They're greasy. Can you move it out of my... I don't want to touch them.
You're too... Oh
They're greasy. I don't want to touch them. Why'd you take them out?
Hussain's too good to touch his own parts for his own car.
I don't touch greasy things in the shop. Everybody
Oh
knows
my
this.
god. I want to put it on here.
Here. Oh, I dropped
Wow. Okay.
it. More things.
We've lost like half our audience retention by this point.
Probably. You could just forward it. Or everyone's going to enjoy watching me do this.
Yeah, we'll see.
People like unboxing. Yo, people watch weird, like, awkward nerds unbox phones. And, like, listen to the sound of paper being opened. I'm sure they'll watch this.
There's whole careers made from unboxing videos.
Exactly. So we'll be fine.
My voice sounds like shit because I'm still sick.
Yeah.
Hussain makes me work when I'm
That's
still
why
sick.
your throat hurts.
Yes. What? Ooh, pretty.
Arms. I don't know which ones these are. It's one of the arms for the rear.
Very professional unboxing. Yeah, we're a shop and we know exactly what we're talking about.
We do. I mean, combined with everybody's knowledge, we do.
Mo
And
does.
links.
Mo knows everything.
Mo does know most things
Yeah.
about suspension. He should really be here
That's
unboxing this.
That's why he
But he's
answers.
too busy answering dumb questions
God.
from like the 90 calls we get an hour. The best ones are when someone's tuned by someone else, but their tuner doesn't respond, so they call us asking for help, thinking we don't know that they're tuned by someone else. And it's like, yeah, we're nice and we'll help you.
And then they ghost us
But
after.
like, just know that after you hang up, we clown you. The entire office.
Oh my god.
We sit here and clown you. And probably clown your tuner too.
Jesus. This is the information you want to put out? What are you looking at?
Solid bushings? Ronnie! Do these look like subframe bushings? Or diff bushings?
Damn, man.
Yo, look at them! Are they? Yo, look at his face. He's so excited.
It's okay.
Here you go.
If he says something bad, I'll just cut it out. It's fine.
You enjoyed it a lot,
Oh,
right?
you
Tell
just.
everybody how long it took you. Yeah.
Oh
yeah.
shit.
And how much you enjoyed it.
No.
I'll probably put in like videos from the install right now.
Everybody, you enjoyed it.
I enjoyed it. All I know is you're gonna complain after you put those in.
Bro,
It's gonna be whining
it's
about,
good.
I can't daily anymore.
Yo, okay.
I'm gonna buy another
I'm
car
gonna-
for this car.
I'm gonna make this literally, like, right now, I'm saying this. That car is undrivable. That is only for racing and clout. Like,
Clout.
the last time I took that car out to autocross, I wanted to shoot myself driving to autocross and coming back. And that was before we did bushings and everything else is
It's
gonna make creaking
just 'cause it's
noises
got an
and make it
exhaust.
harsh.
Ooh.
It sounds like shit.
What?
All right, unpopular opinion.
What?
Unpopular
should finish
opinion.
the car.
It sounds good for a VR30,
take it
but it
apart
still
and
sounds.
This is
I'm
too much.
talking.
This is too much.
What?
We should make your Audi's not working then. You drive that already. Just because he said that.
Ooh, let's break his Audi so he has to drive that shit again.
You guys never fix it, so it's always perpetually broken.
Yeah, I'm not gonna listen to launch.
He's just
His
buying.
Audi's gonna break. He's gonna break like another axle or something. And he's
Yo.
gonna say that, bro. Okay.
Listen,
Because he has to put it in.
I will honestly get if something happens to the Audi and it's undrivable and I have to drive that thing, I will go and buy that new EQS SUV.
Oh my God.
Just to have a quiet electric car.
This dude's still flexing, bro. Like, bro.
It's not a flex, it's just truth. Alright. Okay. More arms. For something.
For the,
In the rear. It's obviously this is all for the rear.
this is the worst unboxing video ever.
It's so cute trying to unbox them.
Okay, fine. It says it. Rear traction arm. These are gonna be the traction arms.
Okay.
What's the benefit of having those?
No.
Hey, less flex.
Bro, I don't know. Okay, listen. Rudy at Texas Tires and Parts always tells me, bro, get real suspension components and then I'll make you hook. So I'm gonna do all this. I'm gonna pay him a crap ton of money.
So you're gonna do a drag
and
alignment.
hopefully he makes me hook.
No, it actually does do a good job of supporting.
Oh yeah, dogs always guys don't understand anything about suspension. Traction arms. Okay, so here, now I'll show you. These are the traction arms.
Oh God, such a mess.
These were the camber arms. And these were the toe arms,
Yeah.
I guess. Yep, toe arms. See? I know something. Process of elimination.
Oh, you get the flex?
What the hell is this? Oh, it's another tool. They sent you another installation tool. You're welcome.
You're gonna break that.
So you can break that one too.
Ooh, Hussain. Slow down there, bud.
These are gonna be the two-piece rotors.
And then the jack pole.
Oh, these are
This
nice.
is the front two-piece rotors. Obviously, I have two of these. Look at
Hey,
that.
stop talking.
Look at that beautiful, beautiful
oh.
two-piece rotor.
Yes, this is very good quality stuff.
Why you say it
You
like
think it's
that?
made in
Because
China?
I love these rotors.
You think it's made in China?
I don't know where it is made of, bro, but it's not good.
What if it's just Alibaba rotors?
I'm ordering right now.
Yo, you know if you look on Alibaba, you can find rotors identical to this.
Everything.
Anyway, front rotor. Woo, weight savings. There's another one for the other side below. Rear rotors.
This is why we don't let Hussain back here.
Looks the same but smaller.
Next. Oh, we're saving the best for last?
What's in this? Oh, there's gonna be the upper control arms probably. What the heck is this? It's gotta be the upper control. No, it looks too small.
No, I think it is.
Oh, I just cracked my knee. I'm old.
Bro, you're like 19 and Ronnie's like barely legal.
I work for you, bro. That's why I get old. We're physically
Upper
abused every
control
day.
arms. Oh, these are packaged nice. These are the new ones, by the way. They're not released yet. These are Z1's new upper control arms. They are. I think they're very light.
Yeah.
Does it say Z1 on them anywhere?
No.
All right, then it's China.
Why do you like this?
Because I
Bro,
want John to laugh.
bro, he's
Notice
gonna,
me, senpai.
he's
What
gonna
is it? Doesn't say
boycott
Z1
us.
anywhere, right?
No, it doesn't.
It was definitely China.
Oh, God.
All right, what is this? I mean, I know what
Coils.
this is, but where's the seam for this? Yo, what if I just like accidentally cut through the shock?
That's fine. We'll just warranty it.
Oh, there's another blade here for me to
Well,
cut myself.
I put this here for you, but I guess you got a knife somewhere.
Yeah, who trusted me with a knife?
Yeah.
Never again. Why?
Okay, yo, I don't want to unwrap this, bro.
Dude, just grab one, bro. Dude, just grab
Which
one.
one's up front?
The longest one. This is the rear.
Yo,
What?
these are really light for coil. Feel this.
That's the rear.
Dude, that's light as hell. I wasn't expecting them to be light. They're the R Pro coilovers made by Feel. Dude, feel this for a coilover. Surprising. Yeah, right?
Guys,
Hey,
where's...
Ronnie.
Yo!
Please don't spin it, bro. That's something preloaded. What?
Ooh. Wait, show...
V1 R Pro coilover system.
Why do you say it like that?
Feel
Nice.
suspension. Warning, gas fill, do not heat.
Up, down. Oh, okay.
Oh, it's got Swift springs on it too.
Oh,
Very
nice.
nice.
Yeah. Wait, is this a Z1 company?
They're the Z1. They're the Z1 R Pro coilovers made by Feel.
Oh.
So I think they're just Feel coilovers with a Z1 logo on them. Not
So
even a logo,
they're-
a Z1 sticker.
They look nice.
They do look nice.
It's a true
Cool.
rear.
That's the unboxing. Okay, Ronnie, clean all this up.
Bro, what?
Bye.
You're putting the wrong.
And there he goes.
Oh, where's my knife?
No,
Your knife? Yo! Do not get that shit back.
Give it back.
Why?
You want to get paid this week?
Wait, you're gonna cut yourself. You're gonna cut yourself. You're gonna cut. It's spring loaded.
Oh my god.
You told him not to give me my knife?
Dude, look at the mess we made. Look at this.
Yeah, you guys.
That's like half the shop. Oh my god.
I don't know. An expansion tank?
Bruh. I've been summoned.
I heard you guys are weird, and Moonshine was suggesting that after I sweat in this brand new hoodie that I put on just for the unboxing video, we auction it off. So this sweaty hoodie is available for auction. Bid
Should we make a special page on our site?
Yeah. Bid starting at $20. Let's do it.
Wait, you can't auction. You can start at below the MSRP for a new
fine.
hoodie.
It's used though. Okay,
Oh.
fine.
Shouldn't it increase the
Bid
value?
starting at $200.
Yo.
Yeah, there we go. 200.
Okay, 200.
Let's
200.
do it.
Okay.
All right, bye. I gotta work.